Hi everybody. So I'm out here driving my 2022 Toyota RAV4, and recently it just got a software update, and I'm kind of a little annoyed with this. The car didn't do this before the update, but as we get ready to cross a state line here in the US, I've noticed that it gives you an alert and lets you know that you're changing states. So I'm currently driving in Pennsylvania, and I'm getting ready to cross over into the Maryland state line. So let's see what the car does now.
Welcome to Maryland.
Okay, so it does it.
Alright, so the rest of you out there, that might not be an annoyance, but for me it is, as I travel across the state lines pretty frequently. Well, not very frequently, but even occasionally.
Hardly at all.
Yeah, well, thanks for that comment. Well, for me, traveling across state lines, you know, it's a little bit of an irritation. I mean, where are you going to go next? County lines, maybe borough lines, township lines, street crossing lines? Where does it stop? All right, well, thanks for watching, everybody.